today, changing the oil on the LS460, also the gear oil. What is up, everyone? Welcome to another episode of Tuned in Washington. Today we are doing some maintenance on the LS460. It's about time. We're currently at 3,200 miles on my oil change interval. So we're gonna change the oil, and if we have time, we're gonna get to draining and filling the rear diff.
Oh! Somebody! Oh! He needs some milk!
Alright guys, I'm underneath the LS now. It's a good time to show you what's going on under here. As you can see, we have some damage from being slammed. Scrapes everywhere. There's my cats. Got the cat shield all scraped up. It's where we did the secondary resonator delete. Used to be two big resonators there. Been deleted. And of course we got the muffler delete back here. Routes into the stock OEM tips. But yeah, there's our oil drain. It's 14 millimeter. And this is our oil filter here, which you gotta use a Toyota tool that's specific to get this housing up. First we're gonna take off the oil drain. There's that. Just gonna plug it right in there. Got the new seal put in. We're gonna reinstall the drain. There she goes. Alright, we got the Toyota oil filter wrench. It's 64 millimeters. No mess. We drained out the oil. Ready to install. Alright, we're putting the oil filter housing back together. Just want it snug. Snug on that as well. Alright, got my drain pan here. I went ahead and cracked both the drain and the fill. Make sure you crack the fill first, which is right there. It's just an Allen hex head. See how dark this gear oil is. It's probably pretty nasty. Got 136,000 on this. I don't know if it's ever been changed. Oh, it's not horrible. It's still pretty. Got the washer there. I'll be replacing that. But yeah, the fluid's not bad at all. Thought it was gonna be black. Right now, One end goes into your gear oil, the other goes into the diff. You're gonna slowly just pump it in. It can be tedious. This is how we're gonna get the fluid in there. And you'll know it's full when you start getting some drippage out of the fill hole. And then that's your drain hole. As a reminder, that's already plugged. All right guys, it's time to fill the LS with oil. I got two 5-quart jugs because this LS takes 9.1 quarts. We're gonna go ahead and lower her down and fill her up.
A few moments later.
All right guys, probably the easiest part is refilling this LS with oil. Got my funnel here, so there's no mess. I'm gonna go ahead and put that puppy in there. And we're gonna start filling her up. Gonna add in the Royal Purple Boost. Screw this guy on here. Last but not least, we're gonna add in the Liquid Moly anti-friction. All right guys, that wraps it up for this week's video. Appreciate you guys watching and tuning in. We'll make more videos obviously, and I do apologize for the slight delay in uploading our weekly video. It's been a pretty cold couple weeks. Let me know if there's anything else you guys want me to upload, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.